right, people. We got exactly 2 minutes and 34 seconds to planet destruction.
Hey, you're doing fine, Doctor. Now, either over gently.
We were better off on exploding planet!
Don't hold anything back!
Take us out of here, Metal Man.
Aye, Captain.
Let's wrap this up quick!
You're dropped into heavens in the nick.
Save your claptrap for the judge, Silver.
Look out!
Prison sails immobilized, Captain. Thrusters at only 30% of capacity.
30%? That means we'll never clear the planet's explosion in time.
You gotta turn around. What? There's a portal back there. You can get us out of here.
Pardon me, Jim, but didn't that portal open onto a raging inferno?
Yeah. But I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna open a different door.
Captain, really, I just don't see how this could possibly...
Listen to the boy.
1 minute 29 seconds to planet destruction.
What do you need, Jim? Just some way to catch this. All right. Stand back now.
There you go.
Okay. Now, no matter what happens, keep the ship heading straight for that portal.
58 seconds.
Leave this to me. Will you heard him? Get this blasted heat turned round!
Doctor, head us back to the portal.
Aye, Captain.
Hurry! We're running out of time!
Blast away!
Down to the right, South right!
I know, will you just let me try?
25 seconds.
Oh, no!
Come on, lad.
We aren't gonna make it!
Here we go!
Seven, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yes!
Mission completed.
Piece of cake! Too easy!
We did it!
Didn't I say the lad had greatness in him?
Unorthodox, but ludicrously effective. I'd be proud to recommend you to the Interstellar Academy. They could use a man like you.
Just wait until your mother hears about this! Of course, we may downplay the life-threatening parts.
Jimmy, that was unforgettable. I know you don't like touching, but get ready for a hug, big guy, because I gotta hug ya. Hey, you hugged me back.
Oh, I promised myself I wouldn't cry. Ah!